Afisa maduong' makireng mibadhi e pacho ka EACC mano Abdi Mohamud onyiso komiti ma Senet ni nitiere buche maromo 146 mag piny owacho mag kaunti ma osechwal ne apis jamin buche mondo mi okawnegi okang' mowinjore ma chik. Ne olosi nyim komiti no kama owacho ni EACC dhi nyime gi timo nonro matut e wi mibadhi ma sani ogoyo tach e counties.
We receive over 3,000, 4,000 reports. When we delay in investigating some of the reports that were forwarded to the EACC by the Senate, it's not by wish, it is just because we are deficient in human resource. And it is not that, again, let me also mention we have a prioritization mechanism where, because of the number of reports we receive, we consider three things for one to take a higher percentage. Number one, we look at the value of the money involved. Number two is the public interest involved, and number three is the personality involved. So it is in that hierarchy that we pick cases, because if we receive 3,000 cases and we are able to process maybe 300 per year, generally and naturally there will be cases that will be dropped or will not be concluded, because every other day a new case comes. So we had to come up with a system to prioritize, and that is the system we currently have in place. So, and it is digitalized, and let me also just mention something the Vice Chair of the committee mentioned about the, I want to tie that to what he mentioned about the Pilau also issue, which was about 4 million. If you follow what I was just mentioning about the prioritization category, that will not come to the top of the prioritization. Because 4 million really, here are cases that are worth billions of shillings. And here, I know it concerns you, and it concerns your people, but unfortunately it will not take precedent over other, or it will not come first before the others.
Yeah, Ramogi.